Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to deactivate Do Not Disturb mode on Google Chat right from your PC using the latest update. If your status keeps showing as Do Not Disturb and you're missing important messages, don't worry, this quick guide will have you back to active mode in just a few seconds. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Open your browser and head to google.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo, and right next to it, there's a small grid of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps menu. Click on those 9 dots and a menu will expand showing all your Google services. From there, scroll through and select Chat. This will open Google Chat directly in your browser. Now that you're inside Google Chat, look toward the top of the page where the settings icons are. You'll notice a small circle icon next to the gear icon. That circle represents your current status. If your status is set to Do Not Disturb, that's why notifications are being silenced and contacts are seeing you as unavailable. Go ahead and click on that active mode icon. A list of options will appear, including Active, Do Not Disturb, and Set as Away. You'll also see an option labeled Automatic. To turn off Do Not Disturb mode, simply choose Automatic. This setting allows Google Chat to automatically manage your availability based on your activity. So when you're actively using your computer, your status will show as active, and when you're away, it will update accordingly. Once you select Automatic, your status will instantly update, and you'll start receiving your chat notifications again without missing any new messages. That's all it takes. You've successfully deactivated Do Not Disturb mode in Google Chat on your PC. With this new update, it's even easier to manage your status and stay connected with your teams, friends, or clients. If this guide helped you, take a moment to like the video and share it with others who might be having the same issue. Thanks for watching.